how to get a refund on Remitly. So here's what you want to do. You want to load up the Remitly app, give it some time to load up right here, and afterwards make sure you are logged into your account. Okay, so here we are gonna click on manage in the bottom right, and then you want to go into the help center next to refer friends. So click on help center. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see get in contact with us, chat, phone, WhatsApp. So choose your preferred method, and I'm just going to choose chat here. So once you click on chat, this is going to connect us to the virtual assistant, and we want to type refund, just like that. Press refund. Get a refund on a transfer. Now, okay, so here after you type that, it's gonna locate all of your transfers, and you will choose the transfer which you want to get a refund for. Afterwards, it's gonna ask you for more information, such as your email address, some of your information, and you will need to verify your identity, and then it's just going to take you through the process of getting a refund, and you want to follow the prompts. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.